Now, the power tussle continues in Punjab. Massive show of strength by both Captain and Sidhu. In fact, Sidhu is currently gathering support unit. In fact, within the Punjab unit, holding series of meetings since yesterday. Punjab Congress MPs met in Delhi at the residence of Amrinder's loyalist Pratap Singh Bajwa. Sources have told India Today that Punjab Chief Minister and other prominent congressmen are not in favour of appointing Sidhu as a Punjab Congress chief. Captain and other leaders are of the view that post of PCC chief must be given to Pratap Singh Bajwa, a key arch rival of Sidhu. 10 Congress Punjab MLAs have now released a statement urging the party high command to not let down Captain Amrinder Singh. They say the captain is the tallest leader within the Congress in Punjab, and in fact the Congress in Punjab there is standing tall only because of Amrinder Singh. The MLAs also demand Sidhu to apologise to Captain and further accused him of creating rift in the party. Meanwhile, after meeting with 30 MLAs and ministers, including Punjab Congress President Sunil Jakhar yesterday, Sidhu has now met with MLA Madan Lal in Patiala, garnering support for himself. Amid the raging feud, Jakhar will hold a meeting tomorrow with Congress MLAs and district presidents to pass a resolution stating that the High Command's decision will be accepted by all.
कोई चुनौती नहीं है, डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी है। जिंदा पार्टियों में हमेशा डिफरेंसेस रहते हैं। जो पार्टी जिंदा ही नहीं उसमें डिफरेंसेस क्या होंगे? सो इसलिए मैं आपको यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूं, कांग्रेस गेयर्ड अप है और आते टाइम में हम मजबूती से सारे के सारे लीडर्स एक स्टेज पर होंगे, इलेक्शंस में जाएंगे, इलेक्शन जीत कर आएंगे।
पंजाब के लोग चाह रहे हैं, पंजाब का यूथ चाह रहा है, पंजाब का किसान चाह रहा है, पंजाब का सिख वोटर चाह रहा है। वो कहते हैं जब तक सिद्धू जी अध्यक्ष प्रधान नहीं बनेंगे पंजाब कांग्रेस के, तो पंजाब को में वोट डालनी बड़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगी। आज पंजाब का यूथ निराश होया बैठा है। इस करके मैं कहता हूं पंजाब जो साढ़े सोनिया गांधी जी, राहुल गांधी, प्रियंका गांधी जी का मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं, जिनकी सोच अच्छी है, जो इनको प्रधान बनाने जा रहे हैं।
देखो पार्टी जो भी फैसला करूगी, जो भी पार्टी फैसला करती है वो पार्टी के बेहतरी ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ, पार्टी के वर्कਰਾਂ ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ, सूबे ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने हमेशा इस पंजाब की अमन शांति ਲਈ, खुशहाली ਲਈ, तरक्की ਲਈ लड़ाई लड़ी है। आने वाले समय ਅਸੀਂ ਹੋਰ तकड़े होकर इलैक्शन ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਲੜਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ और पंजाब के लोगों को ਅਸੀਂ एक चंगा विकल्प देवांगे ਜਿਹੜਾ पंजाब ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਊਗਾ। नवजोत ਸਿੰਘ सिद्धू जी एक करिश्मैटिक लीडर ने, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਤੀ ਬੜਾ ਉਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਵਾ ਔਰ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਮੇਂ 'ਚ ਉਹ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਔਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ 'ਚ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਬੁਲੰਦੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ।
It's now a big power play in Punjab, and neither Captain Amrinder Singh nor Navjot Singh Sidhu is ready to blink. The Congress's truce formula is to elevate Sidhu to a key position within the party's Punjab unit, but the captain doesn't want that, as this showdown only escalates further. Here's more on that.
A festering feud and a truce that still looks a distant possibility. To quell the simmering crisis, the Congress top brass once again reached out to its disgruntled neta Navjot Singh Sidhu. He was summoned by Congress President Sonia Gandhi herself to 10 Janpath in Delhi.
Sir, क्या आज आपकी मीटिंग है? सर, सिद्धू सर।
60 minutes. That's how long the meeting lasted. The details of the meet were kept a guarded secret. Sources in the party say Sidhu may be given a key responsibility in Punjab, but the party is unwilling to commit as of now.
सिद्धू को बना दिया गया अध्यक्ष।
बिल्कुल, कौन कहता है? आप कृपा करके मेरे बयान को बहुत केयरफुली पढ़िए जो मैंने कहा है और शब्दों को समझिए। जब तक कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट बात को क्लियर नहीं करती है तब तक मुझे भी जानकारी इस बात की नहीं हो सकती है कि इनफैक्ट उनका लास्ट डिसीजन क्या होगा।
Sidhu was summoned to Delhi following meetings by rival camps in Punjab. India Today has learnt Captain Amrinder Singh was upset over Sidhu's huddle with 5 ministers and 10 MLAs in Chandigarh on Thursday. As per sources, the captain complained to Congress's Punjab in charge Harish Rawat and party chief Sonia Gandhi. Sources say Amrinder alleged Sidhu was plotting to instigate a mass resignation by his supporting MPs and MLAs. The captain has also expressed his disapproval of Sidhu's possible elevation within the party on grounds of seniority.
अभी किसी ने कोई ऐसी नाराजगी कम्युनिकेट नहीं की है और यदि कहीं कुछ चीज़ों को लेकर के गलतफहमी होगी, कोई बात होगी, कहीं कम्युनिकेशन गैप दिखाई देगा तो मैं हूं ना उस काम के लिए। हम उस कम्युनिकेशन गैप को पाटने की कोशिश करेंगे।
Amrinder, when he met Sonia Gandhi last week, had given his word that he will abide by the High Command's decision.
जो फैसला कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट करेंगे as far as Punjab party is concerned or whatever other political activity, we are all geared up to take full action on जो भी वो चाहेंगे.
Punjab state unit leaders are hopeful that party leadership will be able to resolve the crisis before it does any irreparable damage ahead of the elections next year.
कांग्रेस में विवाद है ही नहीं है यार, किसने कहा है विवाद? ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, ये परिवार का मसला है और दिल्ली भी हमारा परिवार है, यहाँ भी हमारा परिवार है, हम लोग बैठ के इसको ठीक कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
कि हमारे परिवार का मसला है और जो हाई कमांड फैसला करेगी सबको मंजूर होगा।
For now, all eyes are on 10 Janpath. The battle of Sardars will be decided in Delhi.
Sidhu sir.
With inputs from Satyendra Chauhan and Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh and Anand Patel in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, let's take a quick understanding on the strengths and weaknesses of both Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Of course, we do know that Captain Amrinder Singh is a political veteran. He has quite some clout within the Congress party in Punjab. Sidhu, of course, we know is a TV personality and he is quite popular. Meanwhile, we also know that Captain Amrinder Singh is a strong veteran leader within the Punjab. In fact, many of the dissidents within the Punjab unit as well are okay with Amrinder Singh carrying forward his legacy versus Sidhu. While Sidhu, of course, time and again has shown what a crowd puller he is when he is at rallies. He manages to attract people and is quite a good orator as well. As we know, he's a TV personality and he's also spoken on multiple platforms and he is quite a strong orator. For that matter, Captain Amrinder Singh is from a dominant caste and holds clout among the people within those communities and even other caste and communities, quite surprisingly, within Punjab. We're looking at dissidents as well. Like I said, not very happy with Sidhu's elevation, if at all, but they're okay with Captain Amrinder Singh. While you have Sidhu, of course, enjoying the clout that he does with the Gandhis, with Priyanka and Rahul Gandhi. Now let's understand the weaknesses of both Captain and Sidhu. If you can see, Sidhu in fact is inconsistent. This is the kind of criticism he's received time and again. While you have Captain Amrinder Singh, for that matter, being criticized for authoritarian leadership. And then, of course, we're looking at Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister, who is inaccessible. Those are the allegations against him time again, that he's not, common people are not able to reach him so easily. While Sidhu, in fact, is considered an overrated leader by the locals. Then you have Captain Amrinder Singh often speaking against the Congress line. In fact, he has his own way of functioning, sometimes falls out of the Congress line as well. Sidhu also, for that matter, has spoken several times against the party, in fact, against the government as well, his own state government. And that's the kind of criticism both these leaders have received. The Sidhu versus Captain feud has now been festering since 2017, the same year when the Congress came to power. Sidhu was made a cabinet minister and it's said that Sidhu used his closeness with the Gandhi siblings to bargain for more power within the Punjab government. Things came to a flashpoint when Sidhu went to Pakistan, embarrassed his chief minister by hugging the then Pak Army chief, leading to a full-blown public war of words.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot, and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief, and the chief is Mr. General Bajwa, and to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but यहाँ लिखा होता है उनके tunic के ऊपर, that's wrong, and I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani Army Chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, you know, I have taken this stand, and this is what is in the larger interest of my state, and I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my Chief Minister has taken the stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं, उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह. क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार? हाँ, ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की, वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई. मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
जिथे 25 पैसे पैने सी सिद्धू ने 25 पैसे पाए, जिथे 30 पैसे पाने सी उथे 30 पाए. वर्ल्ड बैंक तो लैके एक चीज़ नाल लिया के खड़ी की. लेकिन मैं तो कदे किसी ते उंगल चुकी नहीं, ना मैं कदे शिकायत की थी, ना ही मेरी फितरत है. चलो जे कोई उन्होंने ये लगता है यह जी गल है तो वो उन्होंने मर्जी है, महाबदौलत.
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I have shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I have given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him. But he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.
From the cricketing pitch to the political battlefield, with a stopover on television screen, Navjot Singh Sidhu's professional career has been quite a roller coaster, just like his political one. Now, he's been controversy's favourite child, having been accused of murder, losing a popular TV show because of his pro-Pakistan sentiments. The big question here is, where will Sidhu finally land now?
For his high-voltage rebellion against sitting Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh. His attacks have opened the floodgates in a party unit that was largely intact, causing a massive headache. From cricketer to comedian to rebel against the captain. Join us as we track the journey of controversy's favourite child. In the aftermath of the Pulwama terror attack in 2019, Sidhu's bizarre decision to lock the Pakistan Army chief in a Jadoo Ki Jhappi backfired badly, costing him both his TV stint as well as a huge amount of public goodwill. Running parallel to the roller coaster of his life in showbiz was a political career that saw its own dramatic swings. He joined the BJP in 2004, elected as the party's MP from Amritsar.
जो लोग हिंदुस्तान के कहते हैं वही परमात्मा परमात्मा की आवाज है और परमात्मा की आवाज इस बार चाहती है कि लाल किले के ऊपर झंडा नरेंद्र भाई मोदी फहराए।
In 2006, Sidhu was accused in a homicide case and sentenced to 3 years in prison, forcing him to resign from his Lok Sabha seat, only to be acquitted days later. In 2007, he was re-elected to the Lok Sabha.
महोदया, क्या सूरज को प्रमाण देने की जरूरत है कि उसमें तेज है? क्या उसका प्रकाश प्रमाण नहीं है कि उसमें तेज है?
In 2014, he went into a sulk after Arun Jaitley was made to stand from Amritsar. In 2016, just 4 months into a consolation seat in the Rajya Sabha, he quit the BJP. Attempts to join Arvind Kejriwal's AAP went nowhere, forcing him to briefly pitch out on his own. He launched a party, Awaz-e-Punjab, flanked by former hockey great and close friend Pargat Singh. But that would prove to be a placeholder before he secured himself a place in the Congress in 2017, declaring himself a born congressman. His war against Punjab Chief Minister began shortly thereafter. Wisecracks in silence, even a Sidhuism won't answer this one. Bureau Report, India Today.